Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we have some of the most satisfying food processing machines. Hit subscribe and we're ready to go for number 1. Number 1. Web Slicer 405. Food consumption is also rising with a rapid increase in population. Thanks to some food processing machines like Weber Slicer 405, its ideal cut blade head gives you the best slices of meat at a quick pace. The blade is sharp, it can make a slice from 50mm to 0.5mm. You can run it at 6,000 RPM. Weber Slicer gives you versatile features like the circular blade, involute blade, manual and automatic loading to shape the piece in your favorite design. Number 2. Verbufa. It is a single-lane forming machine through which we can portion a variety of products at high speed and in any shape. Balls, sticks, round or rectangular, the forming machine can make all. Verbufa can be used for the production of delicious beef burgers, steak, and hamburgers. Its multifunctional capacity allows you to make potato and cheese products also. Three. HANDTMANN coax MFD. Usually, making meatballs takes time and energy, but with the HANDTMANN coax MFD, there is no difficulty in getting done quickly. Whether it is for dairy products, fish, dough, or other areas of application, this kind of forming system facilitates diversity in every respect. Your ideas are free reign. All types of pasty products can be transformed into new top-quality product ideas into dumplings, fingers, and round shapes. This machine forms well-formed, appetizing outcomes with excellent product quality. This machine has simultaneous product ejection on 2 to 5 lanes. 4. IRB360 ABB Robotics. Next up, we have a robo designed by ABB IRB360, which will help you in making pizza. This robot has high speed flexibility and also has a high capacity of up to 8 kg payload. IRB360 families of robots, more commonly known as the Flex Picker, are capable of the quick picking applications and have been optimized for packing applications. The robot has outstanding motion performance with the shortest cycle times and precision accuracy. 5. Salmon Deheader MS2720. In this clip, you are watching Salmon Deheader MS2720. The butchering of fish is no problem for it. First of all, the fish is measured before each of the different cuts to achieve the best cutting results, while also maximizing yield. This machine has a capacity of up to 20 fish per minute. This machine does automatic transfer and size adjustment to increase productivity. This machine generates reports on machine efficiency for the entire production. 6. Twistas. Are you dying to eat kebabs? Then Twistas machine can make as much as you want. It delivers optimum dicing results for blocks of meat and bulk goods, as well as for fresh meat. The 7-inch touch display with intuitive operation and USB port additionally offer optimum ease of operation. The open design of the dicer and hygiene design in combination with the size 120 chamber are perfectly coordinated. 7. Easy Cut ATR. Do you need perfect cutting for your cake or pastry? The Easy Cut ATR machine is ideal for you to use. A knife blade is in the machine which cuts the cake. Ultrasonic knives have held wide indentation in the food industries in recent years. These new generation cutting systems can be used for the precise cutting of various kinds of food. There are both mobile handheld units and methods that can be integrated into automated machinery. The ultrasonic cutting machines are provided with a remote assistance system. 8. VR Foods. For years, cakes have been made by people with excellent skills. But now, this machine made by VR Food Equipment is ready to beat its competitors. It can produce hundreds of delicious cakes in no time at all. You can have a glimpse of its working style. Nine. M&P Onion Peeling Machine. So you want to peel thousands of onions without shedding any tears. Then the M&P Onion Peeling Machine is waiting for you. It can peel onions from 45mm to 115mm in diameter, using self-adjusting floating knife assemblies over a range of up to 25mm in any one setting. It then slits the onion horizontally from top to tail. The depth of slit is determined by onion quality and grade. The machine finally removes the skin using compressed air, providing an end product of optimum appearance. This machine doesn't use water, no waste slurry to deal with, and the product remains dry. This machine is also simple to use and simple to clean and maintain. Ten. VF608 Vacuum Filler. This machine has a patented split hopper, which has a volume of 40 to 100 liters. And this means quick cleaning, smooth filling of small batches featuring a practical viewing slit for emptying. This machine is outstanding for the processing of cold and firm products. Number 11. RZ0 Egg Breaker. Breaking hundreds of eggs without any mistake seems impossible, but for the RZ0 Egg Breaker, it's not a big deal. This machine imitates the work of human hands. Because of its special knives and pneumatic holders, it can separate the shell, yolk, and egg white. The RZ0 can break over 2,000 eggs per hour. "12. Chopping Line 3000. Armenia Company produces an automated line for cutting poultry meat, which is a modular design for cutting poultry meat, for mechanical cutting of gutted carcasses of poultry. Cutting of poultry meat is carried out using various modules equipped with circular knives and saws. The Chopping Line 3000 can be used for automated cutting of meat of chickens, ducks, and geese. This machine has a productivity of up to 5,000 pieces per hour. Number 13. Donut Fryer Series WW. This machine turns donuts easily and softly to the other side by shortly lifting and moving the tuning device into the opposite position. But you can turn as often as you want. This machine is entirely stainless steel constructed. This machine has an exact microprocessor controller and a display of temperature. Optionally, this machine has different screens for loading and unloading the cake donut or special pastries when ready. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any thoughts about this video or ideas for future clips, let us know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we release a new video. We hope to catch you next time.